I think I messed up. Turns out I've been eating these foods totally wrong. Let's fix it together. First up, bananas. Most people peel from the stem, but guess what? Monkeys peel from the bottom. It's way easier, just pinch and peel. No more squished bananas. Next, pizza. If you eat it flat, get ready for cheese sliding everywhere. Fold your pizza slice like a real New Yorker. Boom. Less mess, more flavor in every bite. Finally, sushi. Stop dunking the rice in soy sauce. That's a recipe for disaster. Hello, falling apart sushi. Instead, dip the fish side in soy sauce for the perfect taste and zero mess. Who knew eating could be so tricky? Try these hacks and thank me later. Follow for more food hacks and level up your next meal.